everyone. So I just woke up. I am feeling so tired, but I think that a shower and a little workout will help me. My voice probably sounds like so bad, but I literally just woke up. So I'm sorry. And yeah, like I'm keen to spend the day with you. So let's go. Oh my gosh. Like, do you ever wake up some days and you're like, why do I look like this? Honestly. Honestly. So I'm gonna go shower and I'm thinking of doing some makeup today and finding a nice outfit, just to feel good and to slay. So yeah, I'll see what I find and then we can go from there. I really wanna get a smoothie. I feel like I need some replenishment and to feel really good today and more energy. I feel really low energy today. So I think I need to get a smoothie and that'll just take away all of my worries. So that's the game plan. But yeah, we definitely got to fix this. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little makeup thing. Nothing too crazy, but I just want to feel a little bit better because I just saw that on my face now. And that is... But I guess it is what it is. So, first thing is I'm gonna do that. Just get my hair behind my face. I've already washed my face. Just gonna add some moisturizer on it. It's kind of how I like to do it. And voila. Okay, so I'm using concealer. I don't really feel like putting foundation on my skin today. Kind of just want my skin to breathe, especially after this little guy decided to pop up. So I'm just gonna kind of put concealer on there. A little bit there. A little bit there. And I love this concealer so much. I've been using it for so long. And I hardly wear makeup, so it lasts so long. And the thing is, it's so lightweight. So it kind of just seeps into your skin like a moisturizer, which is amazing. I don't like things that cake onto your face and don't make it look good. What I'm going to do next is apply some eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, guys. Eyes so annoying. Okay, so I'm using some eyeshadow now. And I'm thinking of doing something more neutral. So one of those two. And my eye is freaking out. So I'm just gonna do that. The whole point is I just want to do something natural. So it needs to look like I have nothing on, but I have something on. Maybe I should put a little bit of white just in the corner of the eye. Guys, my eye is burning. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mascara on now. And I've actually tried using an eyelash curler on my eyelashes before. And I'm scared that I'm gonna break all of them off when I use it. And B, I think my eyelashes are actually too short to fit into that thing to be curled up. So that's another issue. What I'm gonna do is just put the hair forward. So the last thing is some Labello. I would usually put lip liner on with lipstick, but I'm just going to the grocery store and I'm going for a walk, so there's nothing too fancy. Oh, I don't need to do anything crazy. So yeah. And I love this because I'll show you now. It shapes your lips and it makes them look really plump. So I love that. Hey, so I just got back from the shops now and I got a smoothie. So good. Okay, let me show you guys what I got. Got some salty cracks. Got some pasta sauce. Got some cheese and got some hot chocolate sachets for later. And then, yeah, that's literally about it. Nothing crazy, nothing too fancy. Got some bleach too. And that is it. That's all she wrote. That's all she got. The main prize though is this little baby right here. Oh my gosh. Like, this is honestly, this makes me so happy. Like, this is how I deal with my anxiety. This is how I deal with life. Just getting a smoothie, the best thing ever. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a walk now because it's a gorgeous, beautiful day. And yeah, I'm just gonna relax, chill, nothing too crazy. Like, this is what my life is really like. Like, it's just really chill. There's nothing like, you know, hectic or exciting or whatever. Like, it's just me, myself, and I. And I'm kidding, that sounded like so sad and depressing, but thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'm gonna go shower and put a mask on my face, and then I'm gonna work on my podcast for this week. So yeah, I had fun hanging out with you, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.